Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're installing some LED headlights on the Miata. We got sent these AUTOONE LED light replacements. So we're gonna unbox these for you right now. And we're gonna do a little before and after comparison of the stock style bulbs. We got some spare O-rings in here. Got some instructions. And here we have the bulbs. So here you can see LED. Got a little fan on the back. Pretty fancy. Here's a stock one in comparison. So yeah, we'll do a little before and after and we'll see how these guys look. I also do have a discount code for 15% off store-wide if you guys want to check out the AUTOONE store and get yourself some bulbs or anything else. I got the link in the description. I got the code, the discount code on the screen. I got the discount code in the description too, so check it out, guys. Here we got a quick comparison. We got the LED in on one side. As you can tell, it's a lot brighter, a lot clearer than the other side. Looks real nice.